In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in an email on Gmail. Tagging someone can be a convenient way to alert additional recipients about an email they might find relevant. Our journey begins with opening a web browser and heading straight to the Google website. Simply type in Google into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will direct you to the page where it all starts. Once you're on the Google homepage, your next step is to sign in. You'll find the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so make sure you have them on hand. This process ensures that you have access to all the Google services, including Gmail, as it links your email account with your browser session. After you've successfully signed in, look for the Gmail option, also typically located at the top right of the Google homepage. Click on Gmail to be transported to your Gmail dashboard. If you're frequently checking your mail, you might know this area like the back of your hand, but for those who aren't as familiar, the dashboard is essentially your main interface where all your emails are managed. Now, focus your attention on the Compose button. This button is usually located on the left side of the screen and is hard to miss. By clicking on Compose, you're initiating a new email draft. You'll see a new window pop up where you can start crafting your email from scratch. This is your creative space to write your message. Now, tagging someone typically involves adding their email to the CC field. So, in your email draft, find and click on the CC button, which stands for carbon copy. Clicking this will open an additional line where you can type in the email address of the person you wish to tag. Adding someone to CC is a way of keeping them in the loop. While they may not be the primary recipient, they will still receive a copy of the email, allowing them to be aware of the conversation. After adding the necessary email addresses and composing your message, review everything one last time to ensure the clarity and intention of your email are intact. Once satisfied, hit send. With that click, you've successfully tagged someone in an email using Gmail, and there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to make sure no one gets left out of the loop in your email communications. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.